Hello friends, in this video we will know how to find the unit digit in exponential form. Unit digit in exponential form means, suppose somebody will ask you what is the unit digit of 23 to the power 34. So it is not possible to find the 34th power of 23. So we will know the method how to find the unit digit of such expressions. Okay. So let us start. Now we will know about cyclicity. To know this method, we should know something about cyclicity. Cyclicity means, suppose your number is 2. Suppose I am considering a number 2. 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 16. So unit digit is 6. 2 to the power 5 is 32. Unit digit is 2. 2 to the power 6 is 64. Unit digit is 4. So what we observe here, that after 4 steps, the unit digit repeats. That means I can say the cyclicity of 2 is equals to 4. After 4 steps here, the unit digit repeats. That's why the cyclicity of 2 is 4. Similarly, let us consider the number 4. So 4 to the power 1 is 4. 4 to the power 2 is 16, so unit digit is 6. 4 to the power 3 is 64, so unit digit is 4. 4 to the power 4 is 64 into 4 is 256, so unit digit is 6. So what we observed here, after 2 steps, the unit digit again repeats. That means I can say the cyclicity of 4 is equals to 2. Similarly, let us consider some other number. Suppose I am taking 3. 3 to the power 1 is 3. 3 to the power 2 is 9. 3 to the power 3 is 27. The unit digit is 7. 3 to the power 4 is 81. The unit digit is 1. 3 to the power 5 is 243. The unit digit is 3. Again 3 comes here. Means definitely next will be 9, next will be 7, next will be 1, like this. So what we observed, after 4 steps the unit digit repeats. That means I can say the cyclicity of 3 is equals to 4. Similarly, we can find the cyclicity of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I am just noting it down, the digits and the corresponding cyclicity. If the digit is 0, 1, 5, 6, its cyclicity is 1. If the digits are 4 and 9, the cyclicity will be 2. If the digits are 2, 3, 7 and 8, the cyclicity is 4. By the similar procedure, we can find the cyclicity of any number from 0 to 9. Okay. By using this concept of cyclicity, we will proceed to find the unit digit in exponential form. Let us consider the first one. Find the unit digit of 23 to the power 34. Okay. So unit digit of 23 to the power 34 is equals to unit digit of 3 to the power 34. Whatever the number it may be. Suppose you want to find the unit digit of 567 to the power 99. So unit digit of 567 to the power 99 will be equals to unit digit of 7 to the power 99. In the similar fashion, we can find other questions. So now we have to find the unit digit of 3 to the power 34. After getting this number 34, now divide this 34 by the cyclicity of 3. So cyclicity of 3 is 4. So divide 34 by 4. So 4 into 8 is 32, remainder is 2. So unit digit of 3 to the power 34 is nothing but unit digit of 3 to the power 2. Whatever remainder you are getting here, it will come here. And 3 to the power 2, the unit digit will be 9. That means unit digit of 23 to the power 34 is equals to 9. Let us consider one more question. Suppose we have to find the unit digit of the same thing, let us take 567 to the power 99. So unit digit of 567 to the power 99 is equals to unit digit of 7 to the power 99. Now the power is 99 here. So in 99 you divide the cyclicity of 7. The cyclicity of 7 is 4. So divide 99 by 4. So remainder is 3. Now unit digit of 7 to the power 99 is nothing but the unit digit of 7 to the power 3. Whatever remainder you are getting, it will be the power of this digit. And you know 7 to the power 3 means 49. 49 into 7 is 49 into 7, that is 7 into 9, 36, 343. So the unit digit is 3. So 3 will be the answer. Let us consider one more question. Suppose I have to find the unit digit of 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the power 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Same procedure we have to follow. So this is nothing but our unit digit of 8 to the power 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Now the cyclicity of 8 is equals to 4, we know, we just discussed earlier. Now consider the power, which is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, divide it by 4 and get the remainder. So the division will be like this: 4 into 5 is 20, it will be 3, 34, 4 8 is 32. Now it is 226. 4 into 6 is 24, 27. 4 into 6 is again 24, remainder is 3. So unit digit will be unit digit of 8 to the power 3. So 8 into 8 is 64 and 64 into 8. 512. The unit digit is 2 here. So unit digit of 8 to the power 3 will be 2. Hope you understood the method. Thank you.